Hello crafty friends, we're going to make another quick tag with the Christmas theme using some washi tapes. This is another set that I got from the washi tape shop and I'm really excited to use it. They are having a huge sale with 20% off the entire store for Black Friday. I will put the link in the description below. Washi tapes can be used in so many different ways. This is just one way that you could use them. It's a quick way to put a background down for a tag. I'm just alternating all the different washi tapes from the set. Just to note, the very bottom wide one that I'm using is not part of the Christmas set. It's from another set that I have, but I thought the colors matched really well and I wanted a wider washi tape to start the tag off with. So I alternate them, all different, going up just straight, nothing fancy, but all the different colors, tones and glitters are showing a great variety, which I think makes it really interesting. And I'm sticking these down on a ready-made cardboard tag. If you don't have one of these, you could cut one out of watercolor paper or even just cardstock. I would really love if you subscribed to my channel. I have so many more videos planned and coming your way. Don't forget to also hit that little bell so that you're notified every time I upload new content. Once you're happy with all your washi tapes that are stuck down, we're going to just trim the excess with a sharp scissors. And to add a little bit of interest and make it a bit more dimensional, and because I just can't help myself, I'm going to add some splatter. I'm using some white watered down acrylic paint and adding a little bit of splatter over the entire card. I'm rounding off the corners with my corner punch, and then I've found this beautiful die cut in my die cut box, which I think is just fits perfectly because it matches the little reindeer that's actually in the washi tape, and it's got gold speckles on its back. So I'm just going to place my elements that I have found. I've just got bits and bobs that I just found in my craft stash, just trying to see what works and what balances. The snowflake is a wooden shape, and I'm just going to leave that in the natural color. I like that wood color. And then to enhance it and to bring more of the white through, I've got a piece of white lace that I'm going to stitch on the side of the card. I'm going to do it under the sewing machine, and I'm going to leave some of the threads all bunched up. I've done the same on the left hand side, which will be just underneath the reindeer's head. That's just to add a little bit more texture and to make it not so flat. I found this little die cut sentiment. It's a beautiful turquoise color which matches really well with a gold text which says with love. So I'm just going to move it around and see where it suits the layout best and where it is balanced and pleasing to the eye. Once I'm happy with all the placements, I'm going to stick everything down with my hot glue. If you don't have ready-made die cut pieces that are suitable for your tag, you can always find old Christmas cards and cut out elements from the Christmas card. I found there's a great variety of little cutouts that you could do, fussy cut them out and use them in your crafts. It's a great way to recycle old cards instead of just stacking them up and letting them collect dust. And because I do like me a little bit of bling, I'm going to add some gold sequins. I'm going to add 3 at the bottom just in a row and 1 at the top. I think that balances the entire card. And I'm going to attach those also with the hot glue. I'm going to use the tweezers for this so I don't burn my fingers. I think they add a lovely sparkle to the overall look. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I really hope you enjoyed it and I hope you were inspired to create your own Christmas tags. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again soon. Bye.